Future tense in English. There are four main types of future tense structures. First is simple future tense. Structure is affirmative, subject plus will plus base verb. Negative, subject plus will not, won't plus base verb. Question, will plus subject plus base verb. Usage, to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. बोलते समय तय किए गए भावी कार्यों को व्यक्त करना. To make predictions, भविष्यवाणियां करने के लिए. Promises, offers and threats, वादे, प्रस्ताव और धमकियां. Examples, I will call you tomorrow, मैं कल तुम्हें फोन करूंगा. She won't attend the meeting, वो बैठक में भाग नहीं लेगी. Will you come to the party, क्या आप पार्टी में आएंगे? Second is future continuous tense structure. Affirmative, subject plus will be plus present participle, verb plus ing. Negative, subject plus will not be plus verb plus ing. Question, will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Usage, for actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. उन कार्यों के लिए जो भविष्य में किसी विशिष्ट समय पर प्रगति पर होंगे. To indicate planned future events, भविष्य में नियोजित घटनाओं को इंगित करने के लिए. Examples, this time tomorrow, I will be traveling to London. कल इसी समय मैं लंदन जाऊंगा. She won't be working on Saturday. वो शनिवार को काम नहीं करेगी. Will they be attending the conference? क्या वे सम्मेलन में भाग लेंगे? Third is future perfect tense. Structure, affirmative, subject plus will have plus past participle. Negative, subject plus will not have plus past participle. Question, will plus subject plus have plus past participle? Usage, to show that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. ये दर्शाने के लिए कि कोई कार्य भविष्य में एक निश्चित समय से पहले पूरा हो जाएगा. Examples, by 2026, I will have graduated 2026 तक मैं स्नातक हो जाऊंगा. He won't have finished the project by then. तब तक वो परियोजना पूरी नहीं कर पाएगा. Will you have completed the assignment by tomorrow? क्या आप कल तक अपना काम पूरा कर लेंगे? Fourth is future perfect continuous tense structure. Affirmative, subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Negative, subject plus will not have been plus verb plus ing. Question, will plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing? Usage, to show that a future action will continue up to a specific time. ये दर्शाने के लिए कि भविष्य में कोई क्रिया एक विशिष्ट समय तक जारी रहेगी. Focuses on duration of the activity. गतिविधि की अवधि पर ध्यान केंद्रित करता है. Examples, by next month, I will have been working here for 5 years. अगले महीने तक मुझे यहाँ काम करते हुए 5 साल हो जाएंगे. She won't have been studying long enough. वो काफी समय से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही होगी. Will they have been waiting for an hour? क्या वे 1 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे होंगे? Other ways to express the future, be going to plus base verb. Usage, planned future actions, भविष्य की कार्ययोजना बनाई. Predictions based on current evidence, वर्तमान साक्ष्य पर आधारित भविष्यवाणियां. Example, I am going to visit grandma next weekend. मैं अगले सप्ताहांत दादी से मिलने जा रहा हूँ. Look at those clouds, it is going to rain. उन बादलों को देखो, बारिश होने वाली है. Present continuous, for near future, usage, definite future arrangements, निश्चित भविष्य की व्यवस्था. Example, we are meeting him at शाम के 6 बजे. हम उनसे शाम 6 बजे मिलेंगे. Simple present, for scheduled events, usage, timetables, schedules. Example, the train leaves at सुबह के 8 बजे. रेलगाड़ी सुबह 8 बजे रवाना होगी. I hope this video has helped you to understand the future tense better. So try using it and learn English easily. Like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.